Welcome to video number 8 as we are building a new South Christian High School. I'm Jim Peterson and I'm the head of school at South Christian High School. And we are not on the site today. We are at Allied Mechanical Services in Kalamazoo, Michigan, where they are manufacturing a large part of the heating and cooling system of our new building. We have a special treat today. We're going to hear about why most of our heating and cooling system is built off-site and then installed rather than being built on-site. We're going to see some of the 3D modeling that enables us to have this kind of building, and we're going to see some of the manufacturing process as well. One of our design themes for our building is Agile Innovation, and this is a company that is installing Agile Innovation into our building at the forefront of construction techniques and building our building in a factory and then just installing it on site gives a high quality product that will last for generations to come.
My name is Eric Timmer. I work for Allied Mechanical Services. I'm the Director of Virtual Design and Construction here. We have got together with all the different trades and completed a BIM model. BIM stands for Building Information Modeling, and it's basically a virtual building before the building went up. And as you can see, it's fully detailed with the ductwork, the piping, the fire protection, everything that goes into the building is in this model. The reason why we are starting to push this as an industry, and the reason why we're starting to push this as a company is because of all the benefits that it provides us. Andy is a designer for us, and he has been instrumental in putting this model together and also taking the next step in turning these models into prefabrication spool drawings. We're building these racks here before the building's even there. So we have an opportunity to pre-plan and pre-build objects and get those into place. So we're not just sending out an individual piece of pipe and a fitting, we're sending those out welded together out to the field and built together into a rack. Again, it's been a privilege and honor to work on this project for a community I grew up in and a community my kids are growing up in now.
I'm Steve Heisinger with Allied Mechanical Services, and you are in our Kalamazoo facility where we do 80 to 90% of our fabrication for job sites. And what we do is we fabricate the piping systems here first and then ship them out to the sites. In doing this, we save 30 to 40% labor. It's in a controlled environment, and the quality is second to none. All our pipe comes into this machine, goes through it, and it cuts and bevels it so we can weld it. The old operation of doing this per cut was around 20 minutes. Now we make cuts in less than a minute on a piece of pipe. So after the piece of pipe is cut here, it is brought over to our welding booths where they work off drawings that Eric has produced off the BIM model. We have 14 booths here with all welders in it to further our fabrication process. Every one of these guys can either do carbon steel or stainless for numerous customers depending on the industry we're working in. A lot of this stuff is for South Christian. Once they're completed in this area, we move this way to assembly of the pieces. after the pipe is fabricated over here, it comes over here and it gets assembled. As you see here, this is a large rack of pipe, which traditionally we would build it all in the field. Now we build it all here and we ship out large chunks to get installed. This machine will do a weld in about 80% less time than a person can do it by hand. Our fabricated pieces then are shipped out, and you can see they all have wheels on them, so they wheel them into the job site, wheel them to where they need to go, and they get lifted up into the ceiling and placed in place.
We're so thankful to AMS for giving us an insider look at how our new building is being manufactured, and we are thankful for all the great contractors who are part of making sure that this building is a great building for generations to come. And we are thankful for the entire South Christian community that is coming together to make sure Christian education is great on the south side of Grand Rapids for many generations. Thank you for watching this video today. Ooh, let's get in the car.